Bonjour les enfants, comment ça va aujourd'hui? Today I would like to teach you, today mardi 7 avril, I would like to teach you how to put sentences into the question form. Now in French it's quite easy. We just have to put a question phrase, which is est-ce que, you can see it right here, at the beginning of a sentence. For example, if I want to say c'est mardi, it's Tuesday, and I want to ask, is it Tuesday? Then I just put est-ce que, we have quite a few letters which are silent in there, as you can hear. Est-ce que, the middle E has become silent. So if you want to sound like a French person, you would not say est-ce que, but est-ce que. Répétez est-ce que, s'il vous plaît. Therefore, c'est mardi, it's Tuesday, will become est-ce que c'est mardi? Is it Tuesday? And you can, of course, notice that the capital C has become a small c because it's not the first letter of the sentence anymore. So I would like you to learn quickly how to spell est-ce que, and I would like you to think about where you've seen that phrase before, because you have seen it in a bigger phrase, in a bigger sentence, a question actually, that we've learned a while back. I will be asking you in our live lesson very soon the answer to that question. So it's very simple, it's quite simple, as you can see. I will send you lesson properly copied so you can copy it in your exercise book. And of course, French being French, there's always a little exception whereby we have to check if the sentence starts with a vowel, because what happens if the sentence starts with either a vowel or an H is that the last E will be transformed into, yes, you said it, an apostrophe. Therefore, il aime les maths, he likes math. If I want to ask, does he like math? I will simply put, est-ce qu'il aime les maths? It would be very difficult, and you know how French people don't like difficulty in pronouncing. If you had to say, est-ce qu'il aime les maths? You would have to pause in the middle of the sentence, and therefore it's much easier to transform the E into an apostrophe. And instead of saying, est-ce qu'il aime les maths? You can now say, est-ce qu'il aime les maths? Without pausing, and it comes out fluently in one go. The same goes if the sentence starts with the letter H, which is a silent letter, as you remember. So if I want to transform Hélène est ta mère, Helen is your mother, into is Helen your mother, we can't just switch like we do in English. We have to put est-ce qu'Hélène est ta mère? Est-ce qu'Hélène est ta mère? Is Helen your mother? Now, in itself, the expression est-ce que doesn't have a meaning. It's just there to show you that what follows is a question. So it's up to you to actually transform the sentence into a question form. You have to think, how would I say, Helen is your mother? How would I ask, Helen is your mother? Obviously, in English, you just have to switch around. He loves math. You would say, does he love math? So it's up to you to think in English in which way you would actually position the words to put them into a question form. So today's lesson, everybody. Est-ce que, répétez one more time, est-ce que, and learn to spell it and think about where you've seen it before in the middle of another question. Very, very a very simple question that we've learned to answer a while back. So this YouTube video will be followed by a little exercise which you will find in the usual way either on Schoolbase or on Class Dojo. D'accord, P4, P5, P6. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.